Welcome back to LexV Designs. In today's video, we're going to be learning how to make this very fine simple purse, and this is a DIY video. You can do it yourself with whatever fabric you have, whether it's Ankara, whatever. But before we go into the video, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please kindly go ahead and subscribe now. Thank you. So to do this, I'm going to be measuring 15 inches against 9 inches. So once I measure this out, if you haven't cut out yours, just cut out yours. So this is what I'm working with. I'm going to fold this fabric. This is a very simple purse. It's a DIY. Just do it yourself. You can do it with whatever fabric you have or leather. Okay, so I just folded it in like this, and then I will ensure that the remaining will also reach the bottom of this particular purse. Okay, so I just measured out 4.5. I want to get the midpoint of this part. So the midpoint will be around 4 point something. So I just folded my tape to get the midpoint, and I'll be placing my tape on that midpoint. Okay, check out your length before you measure out your midpoint. So I'll just be marking at this 4.1 something. Okay, and then I'll connect from this point to this point. Okay, it's very easy. First time I folded the leather into two. You can see how it looks just this way. Okay, so I'll just be connecting these lines to form this kind of angle. Then I'll be cutting this out. All right, if you still don't want yours to have a sharp mouth, you can do this, but me, I want mine to have a sharp mouth. Okay, if you don't want yours to be too pointed, you can still do with the other line. So this is what I have, and you can see that the purse is almost ready. Okay, so I'm going to be stitching this up, but before then, you can use this magnet or you can use a pressing button. Okay, but because this magnet is too heavy for this light purse, I'm going to be using a pressing button, but it's totally optional. If you have a smaller magnet, you can still use it. All right, so I'll be using this particular one for this video. I will just stitch it up. If you want to use a magnet, all you have to do is to press this in, okay, and ensure that you have something to place on top of it to design it, okay, because it will come out. But because I'm going to be using these magnets, I'm going to stitch in with my magnet. Please ensure that I'm going to be stitching in with this pressing button, but ensure that when you are stitching in, that your stitches don't appear to the front of the fabric. Okay, so I'm just stitching it, and I'm ensuring that the stitches don't appear to the front of this leather. So you can see mine did not appear, so ensure that you do yours that way. Then it doesn't matter if it appears at the back, that's at the other side of this purse, this lower end. So I'm just going to sew this in to this lower end. Ensure that you got the exact measurement. You saw how I placed it, so ensure that I have the exact measurement. Then I'll just be sewing in this way. It's that easy, very easy. This purse is practically ready, and it can vary with size. If you want it to be bigger, bolder, with whatever fabric you want, you can do this. So you can see that mine is almost ready. So I'll just go ahead. I'm just ensuring that I have the perfect place. I'll just go ahead and stitch these sides, okay, and then stitch up this other side, and my purse is ready. You can see it was very simple to do. You can do it with whatever fabric you have, and just ensure that the fabric, no matter what you're doing, if it's a light Ankara, you ensure that you put a hard stay so that the fabric can stand, the purse can stand. So this is all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.